Alright, so I moved down to Polaris and Russell Road. Take a look-see. As we can see, check it out. So this parking lot, this northern parking lot, which is previously employee parking or bleachers, not bleachers, but portables or temporary offices, now has lettering designating which parking lot you were in. This is parking lot J. I guess J for jump. Or jumping jack flash. Right, you guys. And also we can see a lot of the palm trees have been put in place. It's very nice, okay? Take a little ride, zip down Polaris, hang a right on Hacienda, shoot down Al Davis, and then maybe zip past onto Dean Martin, and then I'm going home because I'm hot as a summer gun out here, alright? Alright, let's just make this illegal crossing of this before this car is coming to run me down. Alright. Ooh, I got a cramp. Dang it. Alright, here we go. Alright, so check it out. Looking good. Looking real good. Now it is July 6th, that's from what I've read, which is nothing really. I have not seen anything which says this baby will be. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover because I forgot to start the external microphone. So I had no audio except for the phone, and it sounds pretty crappy. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we're coming up to one of the signs they have up for the parking area. And so the sign basically tells, you know, where you can go and so on and so on. And so that's, you know, pretty standard for any stadium. So one thing I do like is how it says MGM Resorts West VIP parking, I think, or lot. Sorry, entry. I can't see. It's not very clear photo. Not very clear video. Sorry about that. Using the camera phone or the camera on the phone. Yeah, okay, camera phone. All right. So, you know, it looks pretty good though. It's a nice little sign. I like the design of it and everything else. So hey, all right, let's keep on going down the street. So I'll probably add a little bit of music in the background just to kill off the dead air. There's an ever-present fence to, you know, keep people from jumping over, I guess. Haha. Check it out. America First Credit Union, Southwest Entry, Media Entry, MGM Resorts West VIP Entry, Forward North Entry, Ticketmaster, and so on. So yeah, the sign is good. And then to the right, the Southeast Entry, the RTC Shuttle, and Caesars Rewards East VIP Entry. Well, there we go. You know, take a look. See, you can almost see the grass field a little bit down there. I really wish I could get down there, but I cannot. All right, let's keep on going. Somebody behind me was saying no, 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 because I think that white car is a tourist, and they want to get pictures by going inside this gate, and the security had to stop them to keep them going in. So that was kind of funny. So, well, those things happen. So it was a pretty busy. It was a windy day, so he really, you know, just didn't do very well on the phone's audio. One thing is good. It looks like they have a lot of the landscaping done with these little small trees here next to the street. I'm not sure what they're called, but I do enjoy the palm trees. Do look nice. Okay, and overall, the stadium does look pretty good. I haven't heard anything about it being late or on time. Well, this being late, really, or early, I guess. So presumably it will open on time on July 31st, 2020, which is just about 25 days or 24 days from now. I think 25 days from now. So things are looking pretty good. I think at this time right now it's about 100 degrees, so it was pretty hot. And I was running out of gas today, guys. Just really running out of gas. Now this northern lot is called Lot B, and I presume B is for bus, because the markings for the parking area, those lines are pretty long. So that, to me, looks like, you know, the bus parking area. You know, don't know if it'll be RTC buses or if it'll be some sort of tourist package buses or buses from the casinos ferrying folks to the stadium. Not sure, but B for bus, Lot B. Okay, now we hit Hacienda, hang a right. So it looks like all of the landscaping is done on this part of the stadium, which is nice. They took care of that. And pretty simple, as you can see. And all the palm trees are there, you know, looking good. And hopefully you can see those lines a little bit better in this parking lot B. That looks good. All right, we'll hang a right here in Al Davis. And there it is, Allegiant Stadium in all its glory. And here's parking lot A. This must be VIP. You know, it has to be VIP. Not too. There's the old "Welcome to Allegiant Stadium" sound. Welcome to Allegiant Stadium sign. And below that is the Raider Image Shop. A Raider Image store. More outhouses everywhere you go, which is very useful. Okay, very useful. Now coming to the corner to Dean Martin. Now there are 3 large signs. There's one right there. Can barely see it. And then this white one with the tape covering it. And there's one more behind that white sign. Let's first take a little peek. So there it is, right? Good size sign. And there's one more sign. Now I don't know what they're going to show on these signs. If it will be just some lettering or some type of video. I'm not sure at all. And this was about 12:30 or so, and so a lot of guys, I think, were on lunch break. And check it out. There's our video screen, and it should look pretty snazzy once it's all set up and working properly. But I'm still kind of, you know, worried about the people on I-15 watching that sign as they drive by. So, hopefully there will not be any issues. Future home of the Raiders. All right. And as you can see, this area does not have the landscaping complete. Lots of things are missing. In this area, as you see, the parking lot hasn't paved over, but they need to add in those white stripes showing where vehicles can park at. So that should be a no-brainer for the team. And here's another sign, big giant guy right here. And as we go further down, this was the old temporary office area, which they have now been removed. But on the far area from here, you can see some white stripes designating which area cars should park in. So, you know, step by step, everything seems to be coming along swimmingly, as they say. So here we are at gate 11. Lots G, H, J, and R. So now you can see on that area they have installed the white stripes for things, which is good. So this is all, you know, I still think this is going to be VIP parking over here. You know, the small fish, regular Joes, will park off-site, either shuttle in or hoof it in. So there you go. Alright, I think that will just about do it today for our radar update. I want to thank you all for joining me today. And it has been a while since I've been down here, but the place is looking good. And so, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. And don't forget, you can catch some other videos of the Resorts World, Circa, MSG Sphere, and the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion, or catch my little ride around videos, and even sometimes I appear at Raiders HQ. Alright you guys, everyone have a great day, stay safe wherever you are, and take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys again real soon. Once again, thanks for watching, and take care, bye bye.